Dear students of class 6, I am going to start your science chapter number 10 since 9 has been removed from your syllabus. So let us discuss about chapter 10. That chapter name is measurement and motions. Now measurement is very much necessary to measure various things. In olden days people they are using their hand span, sometimes feet for measuring, but nowadays we are using scale, tape, long tape and various also measuring instrument for other liquid, solid, barometers and all. So naturally if you measure something there must be some scale for measurement. Now the scale, something measure in centimeter, some are meter, some kg, some grams, even time also measure with the help of second. So various units are there for measuring. So some standard unit of measuring also there, that is known as SI unit of measuring, which is famous all over world. It is started in France earlier. So all world country they have to think about those measurement and they have to follow it. So such type of measurement is known as SI unit. For example, here you can see the SI unit of measurement is given, that is the length, mass, time, length in meter, mass in gram, time in second. After that, we'll come to the next chapter, that is the rules followed for measuring. If you not follow the proper rules for measuring, your measurement sometimes become wrongs. These are some rules has been given in your book for writing the unit, how the meters written, how the long unit, some scientist name is theirs like Joule and all written. So it is given in these 5 points you can go through. Now measurement of length given in separate way. Length can be measured nowadays with the help of scale, small length. You have scale while reading or writing some drawing things, or same time in science also you are making diagram, you are using scale for measuring. So your measuring must be correct, especially while making the geometrical diagram in maths. You must measure properly. Suppose your scale is broken, in the beginning you should use the next number, and after using it you must remove from extra reading, so your measurement will be correct. Your eye must be very clear. See here diagram made, the middle eye is looking towards the reading, other 2 eye readings are wrong. So this way you can measure the correct things. Now measurement of liquids. Liquids can be also measured with the help of instrument like liters. The daily or milkman coming and giving you milk with the liters. That is also half liter, 1 liter, 2 liter and all. Measuring canes has been made for measuring the things. Here one more thing given. Suppose you are to measure a curved line. Straight line you can measure with the help of scale. But how will measure the curved line? So curved line can be measured with the help of a thread. Thread you just put on the curved line, and after that you make it straight and measure with the scale. So curved line can be also measured with the help of scale. After that motion comes. Now what is motion? Now a body is said to be motion when it changes its position with respect to another body. Suppose you are just standing in one position, or kicking a ball, you have kept ball in one position, it is not in motion. While ball started moving after kicking, it must come in motion. So motion, already I told you, a body is said to be in motion when it changes its position with respect to other things. Because after kicking it, your ball is getting changed the position. Now there are various kind of motion. One is known as translatory motion. When a body move in straight line, it is known as the translatory motion. And you can say here also in next page that motions have various kinds. Circular motions are also. It is already two types of motion. One is rectangular, and the name itself is clear that it is moving in the straight line, then it is known as rectangular motion. If it is moving in curved line, it is known as curvilinear. Same time, something moving in particular period of time, like see the earth revolves around the sun in a particular period, that is known as periodic motion. Same way moon also revolves around the earth in a certain period of time, that is known as periodic motion. Other motions are also there, like you can say that here you can see the other motions, and other motions can be told rotational motion. Then different motion can be done in at a time also. Don't feel that a body will do only one kind of motion at a time. For example, suppose a bird's flying in the sky, sometime it will move in a straight line, sometime it will move in up and down, sometime it take a round. So a body can show many motions at a time. It is depend upon the body where and how it is moving. A watch of pendulum shows that periodic motion because it is running and coming back to same position. Swings also various kinds. One swing in normal swing, which you can see some in your village and all. During the particular rainy season, people are using swings. But other swings which is shown in the some fete and all, like sometime you have gone to fete like Gorakhnath and all, you have seen the electrical swing, Ghent swing, it is moving from top to bottom in circular motion. So these things, a car also take sometime a straight motion, sometime it is a curved motion according to road followed by it. So you can say a particular body can move in various motion as per required by it at a time. After this, we'll come to the points to remember and keywords. I have done tick marks of all exercises. See here. After these exercises, next is the fill in the blanks. Also I have done. Don't do these are exercises in copy, but from question answer you have to do in copy. Here I have done question answer, very short answer type, then short answer type, then long answer type questions I have done here. You can go through carefully since you are seeing in the book all lessons which I have shown you, all pages, there you can see the answers marked. And here also written where the question, which page is there, and from where you have to write it. So do it in your copy properly, and after that I will start next lesson in next time. Thank you so much.